Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Kat. For today I chose something very simple to make. We're going to turn these old, damaged, mismatched ornaments into a beautiful neutral tone set. But you can obviously choose different colors if you wish. We'll be using that probably most of us already have around the house. Some paintbrushes. You'll definitely need some water. And this is what I chose to paint with, but you can use any acrylic color that you prefer. Just to show you, here are some other brands, different colors. But today I'll be working with the white and this one. We'll need some dowels as well. A piece of styrofoam to just place the dowels for the ornaments to dry. A couple of plastic cups just to mix the paint in. This is what I'll use to mix with. And of course, the ornaments. For the magic ingredient, this is some baking soda that I just had in the house. You can use any brand of baking soda. And I'm just making sure that my paint is well mixed before I pour it in two of my cups. So I'm just pouring here in the first one a little bit more compared to the second one, because I want to get a darker shade for the second one to get like a nice ombre effect. And just a little bit in here. And I'm just gonna pour a lot of baking soda in each of the cups. It's gonna give it a nice texture. And it's very easy to paint with this type of mixture. You will see. Just mixing that really well. See how thick it is. Nice. You just want to make sure they're really well mixed. Take your time with this. Okay, now I can add the color of my choice. I chose burnt sienna for this project. So I'm putting just a little bit in the first cup where I put more of the white paint, and a lot more compared to the first one, a lot more in the second one because I want a darker shade. And then again, I'm making sure it's really well mixed. It looks so nice. There we go, first one done. Now we're just gonna mix in the second one. It's a bit darker, that's what we wanted. And here we are, all mixed, ready to paint. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my first ornament. See how damaged it is on the side. All that will be gone with the paint. You won't be able to tell because it's really thick because of the baking soda. Just remove the top really carefully because they're very easily breakable. In this case, with my cheap ornaments. I put the dowel in and we start painting. Just putting the lighter shade from the top, and then when I start painting with the darker shade, I'll start from the bottom and just blend them together somewhere in the middle. Okay, here we go. See how much darker it is? Can't really tell that well until they dry. They don't need too long to dry actually. They're gonna be okay in like 15 minutes. They'll be done for sure. And then you'll be able to actually see better that ombre effect I was talking about earlier. There we go. Put it to dry. And we go on to the next one. We just repeat the process with all of our ornaments till we're done. Same thing here. I think I put too much paint. I'm gonna have some left over, but it's okay. I can always use it for something else. I can always just redo an old pot, or like a plant pot, or maybe a vase. We'll see. I'll decide later. I'll probably just cover it with like some aluminum foil or something and leave it for the day. I won't have time today. I want to make all these ornaments look really nice. There we go. Third one. So as you can see, this one is the glittery kind. So I'm putting a little bit more paint just to make sure I cover everything nicely. So any kind of ornament that you have, this will work for sure. And just keep doing this for all your ornaments and just put them. Have fun painting!